To set alert case connection, first you should create so-called connector in the SCOM integrator settings. Here is the window with mentioned settings. When you create a new connector, you should fill a few fields. The host is the machine where the SCOM is installed. The domain and credentials indicate a user who connects to a computer with SCOM. When all fields are filled, please apply these changes. The next very important moment, you should edit the rules according to which a SCOM alert will appear as a case in the NILEX helpdesk. In fact, all these fields are default parameters for helpdesk cases created in the same way from SCOM alerts. When you finish, go back and apply the performed changes. The next step is just to start a service. Just remember the name of created connector here. Then open the SCOM itself. Select an alert and find the Forward to option in the context menu. There you can find the connector created previously. Click it and the alert will be sent to the NILEX helpdesk. For example, let's do the same with two other alerts. Normally the import process in SCOM is configured so that you shouldn't forward alerts manually. Then define time period for synchronization should pass before alerts become cases in the helpdesk. You can check if a case is already created by looking through alerts properties. If you can see the ticket ID, the corresponding case is already in the NILEX helpdesk. Also, you can see the newest cases in the NILEX helpdesk to get sure that alerts from SCOM are registered as cases there. Let's open a new case. As you can see, all fields are filled with data set in the rules in SCOM integrator settings. If you change the status of a case to the one which corresponds to the closed state, the connected alert in the SCOM will be moved from the list of active alerts. Do not forget to save changes performed to the case in the helpdesk system. Then open SCOM to get sure that the alert is inactive now. You can easily check that in the log file. See the selected text in logs on the screen. As the alert case connection is bilateral, so you can inactivate an alert in the SCOM and the corresponding case in the helpdesk will be closed automatically. The fact of case closure itself can be checked either in the helpdesk or in the log file. See the selected text on the screen. As SCOM alerts import to the NILEX helpdesk can be automated, the SCOM integrator can be an effective time-saving tool in the technical support process.